this is Kathleen from oldworldfarmhouse.com. You might have seen my video about how to wax a wood floor. I love to talk about all things old house because I live in a really old house. My house has waxed floors and they need re-waxing. They probably need stripping and re-waxing, but so far, wait for the car to pass, I've just been working on waxing them. So I had a good result in my son's room upstairs, waxing it. And now I'm gonna try the same thing on a slightly different surface. This is the entrance to my house. Here's the door sill, and then there's this little vestibule, and then you can see it goes into the front hallway. And this little strip here, whatever wax was on it is really completely gone, and it's looking very, very rough. And I'm gonna try to see if I can make it look any better by applying Restore Finish and a coat of Johnson paste wax. So let's go. The first thing I'm gonna do is just give it a quick once over with a little bit of mineral spirits just to clean off dirt and grime, which is definitely here. Okay, so now I'm going to coat the floor with Restore Finish. My Restore Finish has dried in this little entryway, and it's still looking pretty rough. Yes, you're right. We're gonna try to put on the paste wax now. Baby knows what to do. Well, my wax has dried, and now I'm going to just take my little car buffer and buff it a little bit and see if that can add some shine. It's still looking pretty rough, but it's definitely better than it was before. Well, it's definitely an improvement, but this little vestibule clearly needs more TLC than just a fresh coat of wax can give it. But I feel a little better knowing that at least the wood is protected with the wax now. So that's a good thing. My front entrance is looking a little bit more respectable than previous. Still a ton of work needs to be done out here, but I am happy with it. A couple years ago I painted this stoop which was peeling. The paint was peeling and painted it this pretty green color, and now this is looking a little better. So these little incremental improvements, I feel like they will eventually lead to something bigger and better.